Hey everyone, here I have a gorgeous one owner 2016 Chevy Traverse LTZ. This vehicle is in excellent condition and it's finished in a beige color. The paint is in great shape. This is an all-wheel drive as well. Let me go ahead and show you the trunk. You do have a power tailgate in this vehicle. Tons of space behind that third row. I do have one of the third row seats folded down. You do actually get a lot of space in these vehicles. And if you really need to, you can fold the second row down too. Now in the second row, you will notice there is actually plenty of space back here. The saddle tan leather in this vehicle is beautiful. You do have a DVD system in this vehicle as well as a panoramic roof. Third row can definitely fit taller individuals. Plenty of space back here. Now coming up front, one thing you will notice, this vehicle does have a Wi-Fi hotspot. You do have your memory seating, power door locks, windows and mirrors, as well as folding mirrors, and an excellent Bose stereo system. Driver's seat is in great shape. 81,000 miles. Steering wheel is in great shape. You do have your heated steering wheel as well as cruise and your audio controls. You get navigation, auxiliary, USB in this vehicle, as well as lane departure warning and forward collision warning. You even get stuff like air conditioned and heated seats for your front passengers and an auto dimming mirror. This vehicle is extremely well equipped. Come check out this beautiful Traverse at Shockley Honda, 301-694-5400.